All right, guys, so we're working on our Fiat. We just got the whole front end redone on this bad boy. I'm trying to figure out what you guys think. If I want to save this hood. I'm trying to figure out how I should reconnect this thing. Because the hood, I don't want to get a whole new bumper. I really don't want to spend 500 bucks for a bumper when I can repair this one that I got. So what should I do? How should I reconnect this thing? Is there like any kind of like weld material that I can get? I'm not a welder, but I just want to somehow reconnect this, and then I'll probably maybe paint it or touch it up. But what's your suggestion? What do you guys think I should do to get this bumper back on? Get this thing looking good. All right, peace.